Trending brow treatments, and what are they? There are a few different ones that have been trending for quite some time now, but I think they're going to be circulating for a little while longer, and that is brow lamination. So brow lamination, it is a treatment which is a chemical process, and what that does is it actually breaks down the bonds of the hair follicle and it allows them to become a little bit softer so that you can manipulate them into a different shape. So this is perfect for a fuller or thicker appearance for the brows. It's great for people who have sparse brows and they want them to obviously appear fuller. It's great for someone who wants a lifted look because they are, in fact, a little bit of a brow lift as well. And then another trending brow service that you can actually pair with a brow lamination is a brow dye or a hybrid stain. So you might have heard this term, hybrid brows, or like a brow stain. So a brow dye is like a tint product and a henna product combined together. So what this does is it actually creates a bolder and deeper stain on the skin for longer than a regular tint, and it does dye and color the hairs for a longer period of time. So you're looking at regular tint, which is maybe about up to 1 week on the skin or a few days, and on the hair it's probably up to 4 weeks, and a dye or a hybrid stain is up to 2 weeks on the skin and up to 6 weeks on the hairs. So longer longer results. I'm like, I've had a mind blank. Now these products can be done together. So like I mentioned earlier, with a client that has sparser brows, if they're wanting them to be fuller and thicker, you would do a brow lamination and you would do a combination with a hybrid stain or a dye. And that's just going to give them the best and most optimal results for a thicker brow. So that's it for today. Just a quick short video on some brow treatments that are trending. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Click the alert bell so that you get notifications when we post another video. Check out our website on any courses in relation to brow treatments. There's a few on there and we'd love to see your lovely faces learning with us. All right, bye everyone.